Welcome to Module 9, Response to Intervention. This module is set up a little differently than our other modules. There will be no assigned readings in your book this week or additional articles to read. All of your readings that you will need will be contained within what is called an IRIS module. This week you will be completing 3 IRIS modules that have been made by Vanderbilt University out of Tennessee. They're always ranked number 1 in special education. I also recommend that you keep these links available to you, and also remember the IRIS Center because it's a very valuable resource for teachers, and they have other modules on other topics that you might be interested later that we may not cover in this course, but might be highly valuable to your education as well as to your professional development as a teacher. The 3 IRIS modules you'll be completing this week will be RTI Part 1, which is an overview on response to intervention. It will help introduce you to what response to intervention is, as well as describe a little bit about it. Then you will be completing RTI Part 2, which is about assessment, how we deal with assessment in response to intervention. Finally, you will be completing RTI Part 3, which relates directly to reading instruction. Some of this module should look very similar to you because at the beginning of our course, we talked about the National Reading Panel's Big 5, which are phonemic awareness, phonics, reading fluency, comprehension, and vocabulary. As you complete each of these IRIS modules, I highly suggest that you take notes as you go. You also have the ability to go back and look at things that are provided in the IRIS module. This week, you will not have a quiz that is multiple choice. Instead, you will have 5 questions that will require a short essay answer or short response answer. I highly suggest you take the 5 questions, which I have provided for you ahead of time, which I normally do not do. Therefore, you should be successful in doing this. Take your 5 questions, they're provided below this video, and put them into a Word document. Then you can write your response directly into that Word document. And then finally, when you open your quiz, you can just cut and paste your response into the quiz. In the past, I've had students have difficulty with writing directly into the text box. This will help alleviate some of those issues you might encounter. If you have any questions about response to intervention, how to get to the IRIS modules, or anything else, please feel free to email me. I've provided the links to all of the IRIS modules in this direction page. Good luck, and I hope you learned something that you did not know about response to intervention.